I'm coming with us this time, I'm sorry.
But you can have a toothbrush. Oh yeah? Jump! Oh, you almost got it.
Oh, she was so close.
She over.
You're a crocheter without telling me you're a crocheter. I already have a yarn bag in the car. But don't worry, I packed another one. We're going to my favorite place to get polyfill because I'm out.
Thank you, musical stylings of Sarah.
You're welcome. I'm not out, but I'm on my last 10-pound bag from the 20-pound box, and that's a problem. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I need a big, strong man to lift the 20-pound box because I'm not going to do it.
Then why'd you bring me?
You're the big, strong man. You're tall.
That's accurate.
The box is almost as big as me. I'm barely taller than the box.
I'll get taller.
I tried. I try every day. I wake up hoping I'll gain at least 2 more inches so I can reach the next shelf in the kitchen. I also want to look for more yarn. I want more hat yarn. I don't need more hat yarn. I want white. That's a lie. I do. I need white for brims, and I want to find a wool for, I brought them with me. Hang on. To find like a white or cream wool for the brim of these two because it's definitely not enough yarn for the brim and the hat portion of the hat, but it will be enough for the hat portion of the hat minus the brim. So I think that'll be really pretty. So I brought them with me to see if I can find something that'll work for these two. I think that they have something at Joann, and if they don't have anything white for brims, I'll go to Michael's because I know that they definitely do. Maybe we'll go to Michael's too. Maybe. Please? Maybe.
Part for this world and more. You need to get the information from the messengers and establish the bridge so your world can start to recover. But I have no doubt that you and your team will accomplish this. The larger concern of actually dealing with the messenger threat is not yours to deal with. You will doubtless be involved.
What are we going to find today? Through the Golden Gates. What are you doing?
I was getting a cart. I was just checking to see how much the planters were.
Ah, for your garden?
Indubitably. That's not for that. No.
Yes. I always check down the middle just to see if they still have any of those giant cover stories, but it doesn't look like they do today. Sad. There are different colors of these ones online. Like there's a sunflower one and it's beautiful and I'm waiting for it to come in stores and I still haven't seen it yet. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. I'm shocked that they still have some of the variegated colors because they have none of that thing here where all the solid colors were. They're gone. Gone. I've been watching Kelsey from Passionate Goods make all sorts of scrunchies with these. And it's almost making me want to make scrunchies with these. Should I make scrunchies with these? Do you guys want scrunchies? Should we make scrunchies? They'd be so cute. Hat yarn. I want like a 6 weight or a 5 weight. I love a good 5 weight. Oh, they just moved the baby bear to over here, away from the rest of the baby bear. That makes no sense. Why would they do that? Why would they move some of the baby bear over here and not with the rest of it? That I don't understand. Okay, wait, hat yarn. Here we go. This would probably do it. This might work. this one or that one. Hang on. I need to. So the other one was thinner and it's cheaper, but this is like the same softness. So I think we're gonna go with this one. I think that that's a good decision. Okay, in the cart. Then I want something like this for brims, but I definitely don't want alpaca. So I gotta try to find something else. And this stuff just feels really rough. I really don't want to put that on my head. I wish they had this in like a cream, this respun thick and quick, because this is nice and soft. But I really need like a white or a cream for the top of the hats, and this is different, and I don't like that as much. I don't like that as much. What do we have over here? I definitely have a skein of that and a skein of that at home, and those actually look really cute together, so that's really good to know. Huh. I don't want wool ease either. I might need to just go to Michael's. I think I just want a thicker white. Yeah, I should get another skein of brown while I'm here. Oh, what's this? Antimicrobial. This is gonna be too thin. Basic stitch. This is gonna be too small. Hometown USA wasn't so shiny. That would work. It's just so shiny, and that's just not what I'm looking for right now. What is this? See, this is more of that thick. This is literally what I want. The not shiny, but in a cream or a white. Forgot, I saw this on the Lion Brand website that this might be getting discontinued, the ice cream roving, and if it is, this all might be coming home with me, and the pink, because I love this stuff for ear warmers in the winter. This is one of my most popular colors. Check to see if these are getting discontinued too, because Bernat discontinues colors so fast. So I'm gonna ask somebody. Do you have a cream? It was just on the other side. Was this pumice? I think that's gonna work. Perfect. I don't think I've ever seen so many boxes of polyfill in a store. Look at it, it's glorious.
And they're on sale.
Yeah, it's only 25% off though. Say that again?
I said, ow, I ran my toe over with the cart.
You can't say that word on YouTube. I'm gonna have to beep that all out.
And it'll be hilarious.
Stuff is so weird. It's like a weird rope. It's so weird. So weird. These are new. It's a soft cotton. Made with love. These are actually really, really soft, and the colors are pretty. Oh my God, look at that yellow. That's gorgeous. And that pink, that rosy pink. Oh my God, I love that. No reason to buy cotton. Walk away. Walk away. Santa hat the other day, and I wanted more Christmas-like yarn to make more of them, but this was their Big Twist Winter, and that's not really screaming Santa hat Christmas to me. And oh, maybe this is. That's kind of screaming Santa, isn't it? And that green is kind of Santa-y. Maybe I should get those too. And they've got like these ones that are like really sparkly, but they're also not really screaming Santa hat. Proud of me, I just walked away from the Christmas yarn.
I'm proud of you.
Just walked away from it.
Keep walking.
The red sparkle and the green for those Christmas hats that I want to make.
Keep walking.
Oh my God. You're so mean. Gnomes. It's a gnome in a bathtub. And with butterflies and little mushrooms. Oh my God, it's time to grow. Stop. That's like my motto. Look, Ben. It's time to grow. It's my motto. Oh, come on, that was funny. Ben. That's a you problem.
About to be you problem when I leave your ass here.
That's not very nice. I wish they had one of these birdhouses in a yarn ball. I'd buy. Oh, they do. That's an ugly yarn ball. Never mind. I take that back. I don't want it in a yarn ball. It's ugly. You want margarita?
I'm gonna give you some air. Give you 2 margaritas.
Other way around.
Whatever.
Not a bad looking cart. That was a pretty good looking cart. You grow, girl. That shiitake go. You grow, girl. Craft like no one is watching. I like it. I like it. And Ben's already at the counter. Okay, got it, Ben. Got it. Biz, you doing a good job. Biz, you doing a good job. I gotta get a gimbal. Because my hands are shaky. Recording you walking out to the car like this. Polyfill box is so large it does not fit in my trunk.
This has been an Audible Studios production of...
Phew.
It was not that loud.
That was just in my face. I take it back. Biz, you not doing a good job. I don't have my seatbelt on.
Put your fucking seatbelt on.
You're driving away. You're not worried about my safety.
You're more worried about recording than your safety.
Yeah. You're an asshole. You suck. You. I have my seatbelt on now.
Oh, that's good.
And brake check me again.
No.
I thought that place closed. They've got flashing lights in the window.
No, that place didn't close. The other one did.
Bertucci's is still open.
Yeah.
Famous Dave's is closed. All these places look like they're closed. At least I never see anybody in them. Goodbye, Joann. We're gonna go to dinner now. I love this little place. That looks delicious. Those lasso fries are the bomb.
Got my pickle.
You got your pickle. And I got deviled eggs and broccoli and cheddar soup. So we just got back from Joann. I only got 7 skeins of yarn. That's not bad. Not bad. And 1 box of polyfill. I was gonna get like 3, but I decided on 1. That was good. Good. We had to pay taxes. It's been an expensive month, and paying for all of the markets up front. I want to wait until after my next market before I buy a whole bunch of polyfill and before I spend more money. So first thing that I got is this premium yarn K&C Knit and Crochet product cozy. I don't know. It felt the best. It's 50-50 superwash wool and 50% premium acrylic. It feels really nice. And I think it's going to go perfect with these 2 skeins of hand-dyed wool. I think that's what this is. One of my friends at the library gave this to me, my yarn group at the library, and they're so pretty. They're so pretty. So I'm really excited to use these. I think this is just going to make a perfect brim for those. It's about the same thickness. It's going to work well. Good choice. Good choice, Sarah. And then for some of the other hats, I got Lion Brand yarn, sustainable stitching, respun, thick and quick, 100% recycled polyester. It's really soft for being recycled. There's 223 yards in this. That's not bad. This is the color Whipped Cream. That was just what I wanted. This is going to make great hat brims. Oh, what color was this one? I didn't say. This is Winter White. This is the color Winter White. This one is Whipped Cream. Love that. Then I got a bunch of these. These are being discontinued, and I love putting these through a knitting machine in the winter, and so I am very sad that these are being discontinued. These are Lion Brand Ice Cream Roving yarns. I absolutely love these yarns. I am very, very, very sad to see them go. This one is the color Capri, C-A-P-R-I. And this one is the color Strawberry Shortcake. I mean, just, they're perfect. They're absolutely perfect. They make the most beautiful ear warmer. I sell out of the blue one and the pink one every single time that I have it. And I'm really, really sad that these are being discontinued. I don't know why. They're a bit harder to put through the machine because I have to hand tension it because it's a roving yarn, which means that it gets bigger and smaller. But it's so soft. So I'm really sad. If they have more after my market in 2 weeks, I'll be buying more. It reminds me a lot of Lion Brand Landscapes, which is another one of my favorite yarns, except that's $8 a skein for 1 ear warmer, whereas this is a better bang for my buck. I'm going to get 2 to 3 ear warmers out of this skein. Actually, I'm probably going to get 3 to 4 ear warmers out of this skein, whereas for these on clearance were $6.99. Lion Brand Landscapes at Joann right now is like $8.99 a skein, and I get 1 ear warmer out of it, and it breaks my soul. Ugh, but the colors are so pretty. So I got 3 blue and 2 pink. Ben said get 2 and 2, and I was like, I have to get 3 blue. So that's what I ended up with. And that is it for this video. Oh, and the box of polyfill, but I'm not lifting that. I'm not going to show it to you. I'm sorry. Anyway, end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this trip to Joann, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I really do think that that helps. And I'm really trying to keep making videos for you guys. So let me know if you like this video in the comments. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and let me know what you want to see next. What other yarns you want me to go buy from Joann? I'm really trying not to buy a ton of yarn from Joann right now because we're trying to use up all the stuff that I got. I don't think it's possible to use up all of the yarn that I have currently, but I'd love to try. I've got so much yarn. I guess I wouldn't love to try. I just need to downsize slightly. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.